Brainstorming is a powerful tool for generating ideas, but it can be overwhelming to organize all the thoughts and concepts that come up. This is where mind mapping comes in. Mind mapping is a visual way of organizing information that helps you see connections between different ideas and concepts. It's a great tool for brainstorming because it allows you to quickly capture and organize your ideas in a way that makes sense to you. To get started with mind mapping, you'll need a blank piece of paper or a digital mind mapping tool. Start by writing your main idea or topic in the center of the page and draw a circle around it. Next, start branching out from the center circle with subtopics or related ideas. Draw lines connecting these ideas to the center circle and use smaller circles or squares to represent them. Continue branching out and connecting ideas until you have a comprehensive map of your brainstorming session. There are several benefits of using mind mapping for brainstorming. First, it allows you to see the big picture and how different ideas are interconnected. This can help you identify patterns and themes that may not have been apparent before. Second, mind mapping is a great way to organize your thoughts and ideas in a way that makes sense to you. This can make it easier to communicate your ideas to others and to develop a plan of action based on your brainstorming session. To make the most of your mind mapping session, there are a few tips you should keep in mind. First, use colors and images to help you remember and visualize your ideas. This can make your mind map more engaging and memorable. Second, don't be afraid to rearrange and reorganize your mind map as you go. This can help you see new connections and ideas that you may not have thought of initially. Finally, make sure to review and refine your mind map after your brainstorming session to ensure that you've captured all the key ideas and concepts. There are many different ways to use mind mapping for brainstorming. For example, you could use it to generate ideas for a new product or service, to plan a project, or to organize your thoughts for a presentation. Another example of using mind mapping for brainstorming is creating a mind map of your goals and aspirations. This can help you identify the steps you need to take to achieve your goals and stay motivated along the way. In conclusion, mind mapping is a powerful tool for brainstorming that allows you to organize your thoughts and ideas in a way that makes sense to you. By following the tips outlined in this presentation and experimenting with different approaches to mind mapping, you can unlock your creativity and generate innovative ideas that can help you achieve your goals. So next time you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed during a brainstorming session, try using mind mapping to help you break through your mental blocks and unleash your creativity. Like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.